Hello friends, early in the morning. Okay, let's talk about SQL injection with filter bypass via XML encoding entity. So let's overlap. First, enable our proxy and sending normal request. So before I start, I recommended you to read what it is XML actually, entities aka objects, where we can use it and whatever. So actually it is a bad idea to use XML object ways to store sensitive information like username and passwords. Exactly for this case, Portswigger has made it for us, this laboratory, to check what's going on, and when the things is not built for a strong way, we will see what's going on, by the way. So first, let's sending a normal request. Yeah, we have set a normal request. For this lab, I will use a proxy interception. So let's check first product of stock, which is here. See, we have a product 1. Let's forward. Okay, let's check the location here. Oh, here, that's what I'm talking about here. The information about the product of this stock is stored in XML body, an XML structure, which is here product 1 and ID 1. So let's sending this to repeater because we will need further modification. Okay, sending a normal request, everything is okay. This is our ID. If we put something else here, okay, but if we this is found, but if we try to, for example, little math plus 1 or 1 plus 4, okay, bad request. No stored ID like this. So here in this this entity actual object, we will try to insert our malicious union query. First, let's check if everything, if we can inject some union query here. Here I've stored a little thing. Let's check if we can find username 1. Forbidden, of course. Yes, they store information in the XML entity, aka object. So let's try to sending request when we encode this XML union query from this. For this part of this request, you must install a hardware, which is here. As I said, you can download it from App Store and going to Extender, App Store, and you can use a manual installation and install it from the download. So okay, let's sending actual entity. So you can encode it from here. I forgot to tell you, don't worry, I will tell you. Use extension cover, use encode, and data entries here. Look, now we have it. Send. Yeah. Okay, everything okay. When we encode this union, query select username, but we will need to see the username and passwords if they are stored, and they are stored, of course. Everything is okay. So this is an actual vulnerable, and that's why I told you that is not a good idea to use XML when you store some sensitive information like username and passwords of the account. So structure second. Wait. Okay, here. So we don't need this. See here. They are stored a sensitive information by using XML entity AK object. So here the encode union query in the hack beta, and in the repeater when we send a normal request with encoded union query of the stored ID entity, which is the actual object, we will receive this, which is a huge problem for the owner of the web application, an actual vulnerability. So let's log into administrator and see what we got there, what we have there, sorry. Okay, my account. And the password is, do not get the tilde. Boom. We are administrator. So that's it, guys. That's it. Most important to know is to read all about this entities, aka objects XML.